सो हैव अ लुक एट द सनराइज़। मैं बहुत ऐसा ज़्यादा नहीं इतना जल्दी उठती हूँ, 8:30 को उठती हूँ और सनराइज़ कभी कभी देखने को मिलता है। लुक एट दैट, सो प्रिटी।
अनेरी
Good morning, people. The day of LOI, and we are ready to go. It's 8:24. We will reach to Taj City almost by 8:40. So, great, excited, nervous, and every feeling is together. But let's see what happens there. I'm so excited to meet everybody. No words. Nice. The Forever band finally. Prettiest.
You can page of special meaning again.
Just having a breakfast. भूख लग रही थी और उन्होंने ब्रेक ऑलरेडी दे दिया है। खाना खाओ, मतलब पूरी
Senior vlogs.
Everybody has seen the vlogs.
I was like searching pilot program.
Yeah.
All the vlogs came and
Yeah.
I saw yours. So
You like it?
No.
Yeah, people are here because they've already been inspired by somebody, and then I'm inspiring the other people.
Yeah, exactly. The next.
The next generation we have, yeah, probably. So you say hi to Irene and Meghna.
Hi.
Everybody here, hello, and those people as well. Where guys, say hi to the people, you know, the vlog. Yeah, hi.
Do you have a name for your audience?
Yeah, please. No.
हाय ड्रग टेस्ट के लिए जा रहे हैं
This is what is the place name?
ग्लोबल बिजनेस
Yeah, so this is Global Business Park. Look at it. You're getting a good feature in my blog now.
यू स्टिल ब्लॉगिंग
Yeah, I am.
ओके
Here for the drug test. How do you feel about the LOI and the drug test together?
आई जस्ट वांट टू बी डन विद दिस बिफोर
Yeah.
5 दिन तक गया, छठवा एकदम दिखा कि स्लॉट खाली, तुरंत बुक कर दिया।
Let's go. Finally. The drug test. Too tiresome, but look at that. Indigo Gurudwaran is at the famous metro station and pretty. But the office is also very pretty. Hello people, we are finally done with our LOI and the drug test. It was a very very memorable day. We have been waiting for this day since we have applied for ADAPT. It's just that I can't express it in words. Amazing experience. I would just tell you that when dreams come true and when you work hard for them, it's worth it. It's worth every single second. So firstly we went to the LOI program at the Taj City Center, and then eventually we had our documents, we signed them and we submitted it. That time onwards we had to go to the drug test. So then we gave our samples and we had to wait almost 2 hours for getting the results, and you cannot go outside till the time you get your results. Till the time we were doing the drug test, the LOI of various students was done. They also took the photographs, group photographs and everything, and we were excluded because we weren't there. We were giving a drug test and we were 9 of them, so you know we did not get any photos, and I'm really sorry for that. I feel sorry for myself as well that I couldn't get any photos, but that's fine. We got this. I have been waiting to wear this, oh my god, for almost 2 years. Too grateful for this, and I'm never going to put it out of my hand. Never. And we also got this. So it says Cadet Pilot Flight Rule Aviation Services. So this is what we have received, the actual treasure, and I did work hard for this. So I deserve this. It is almost 5 now and we have just reached घर पे. But the main part, the LOI is done. We saw the Indigo team, we saw the Flight Rule team, we had a word with them and it felt really nice. I still can't believe it. It's still like a dream come true. Here we are. I'm a cadet pilot now. This is insane. I am not even joking, but saying this from my mouth is beyond expressing something. I can't. So yeah. Bye bye and thank you so much for being here, for trusting me with your questions and letting me know what doubts you have so that I can clear them. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Bye bye and I'll meet you soon.